I just want to kind of bring to life some of the build that we put together obviously I tried to make the demo flow quite nicely, but it is built from different components. So we had 2 configured layers of custom investment strategy, which had our mission, vision, and values in it. We had imperatives and goals sat beneath that, hierarchically beneath that, but not as a sub-object. They're both custom investments. And then we'd leverage the out-of-the-box OKR module, which allowed us to then break it down into objectives and key results. And obviously in the future, we're going to look at, from a hierarchical perspective, how we bring the execution, the investments into that puzzle. And again, we can use hierarchies for that. We can use roadmaps. We can get some good metrics flowing about, but we hadn't done that in today's session. What I will say, just to close out my area, is, as I mentioned at the top, this is just one way of doing that structure. A couple of examples here just on slides that we have seen in other organizations. We've had a lot of people who just have a very simple, mission, vision, values, and then goals underneath, and they start at that goal layer. So you get quite a simple structure there. We have others that have, as we mentioned in the questions, use custom investments for all of it. It has different pros and cons to using the out-of-the-box OKR. So that's entirely a common approach to this. And that's leveraging custom investments more than the out-of-the-box OKR. And we have some where we're adding a product lens. So product fits somewhere in that structure. And others that get more complex and start to break down all the different things into different components because they may have different data sets. The point I wanted to make here on the way out is just to reinforce that flexibility piece that we talked about at the beginning. Yeah, we showed one journey through it, one set of structure. Really, you can use the components and the approaches that I've done in order to build whatever structure it is you want today. And more importantly, as your business matures, you can add in the layers without having to rebuild the entire solution.